Congratulations to India.
And there it is. That's the moment. India victorious as Champions Trophy champions. It's been an undefeatable campaign for them. They have not dropped points at all. They've gone ahead in the last 3 ICC tournaments that they played in limited overs. 23 matches, 22-1. It is a team that has been built for global domination with every single player in that 11 stepping up when it matters the most. And from what we saw in 2013, a young Ravindra Jadeja, a young Virat Kohli, a young Rohit Sharma wearing those white jackets, they are now here icons in the sport, donning those white jackets again, erasing memories of the 2023 World Cup loss, erasing memories of a 2017 Champions Trophy loss to arch rivals. Today, they have prevailed in a moment in front of their fans in what was record viewing. Over 6 crore of you joined in to watch those final moments on the Jio Hotstar network, to see Ravindra Jadeja finishing it off in style, to see the stylish players wearing that white jersey. I stand here witnessing this moment of ICC silverware and glory as a broadcaster with 2 world champions besides me. Sunil Gavaskar, the one who started it all in 1983, the one who started it all in T20s with Robin Uthappa. Gentlemen, you have lifted ICC silverware. You have defined the generations of those teams. And Sunny Ji, to see you celebrate. Oh, I've got those visuals. We will show those visuals. But to see those moments right now, to see this team show its domination at the world stage without dropping a point, it's been an unbeaten campaign.
Absolutely. I mean, look, Indian cricket is really up there. You know, people talk about Indian cricket dominating world and, you know, trying to do this and trying to, but they are deserving. Look at the number of finals they have come to. Look at the number of wins that they've had. So how can you even say that India does not deserve to try and, you know, I'm not saying rule the game, but basically, you know, to show why they are the best. Please accept to the world, please accept that this team, and I think this team honestly played at 75% of its potential. If it had played at 100% of its potential, they would have, you know, swept it without any tension in the semis as well as any tension in the final. So naturally, it is a very, very happy moment for all of us who played a little bit for India, and it is just fantastic. It is just unbelievable.
Robbie, to win 2 ICC titles back-to-back, a T20 World Cup and now Champions Trophy, you know, that shows another version of how committed they are. And of course, they reached the final of the World Cup.
Well, absolutely. I think we're a dominant force in international cricket now. And this seals that, right? We've always known how good a team India is. We've always played to potential. We've always faltered at the last step. But this one makes it that much more complete, makes it feel that much more complete. And so wonderful to see these boys celebrate their win the way they are right now, because they've earned it. The kind of pressure that the Indian players deal with is not the same like the rest of the world. Not the same as the rest of the other teams in the world experience. The pressures that come with playing cricket for India is tremendous, and they got to deal with it on a day-to-day basis. They got to deal with competition, politics, and all of that on a day-to-day basis, and still stack up good performances. And to bring that together in a unit, to be able to play for each other and make sure everyone performs, to be able to win a championship like this is so fulfilling. Sunny, you've been in this situation so many times.
Yes. You know, the pressure that they have of expectations, because cricket is, you know, it might not be the national sport, but it is the most popular sport in the country. And therefore, the expectation on each and every player is high. Therefore, you know, people like you and me who are in the commentary box sometimes go over the top when we say something maybe unpalatable. Maybe we don't have the Richie Benaud-like ability to say the milder word. You know, we might go over but because we believe in this team, we want this team to do well. This is our team. Like I keep saying to myself, and I may be wrong in assuming that, I say to myself, I'm like the elder in the family of Indian cricket community. And just like the elders in the family are entitled to scold the younger members of the team so that the younger members go in the right direction. That is what I do sometimes. You know, I might scold. I don't, like I said, I don't have the Benaud ability to be able to use milder words. And maybe my words are over the top. But it's only because I think that this team, these players are capable, that they can beat anybody.
100%. I couldn't agree with you.
No, I was just going to say, Sunny Ji, since you are so iconic, just watching the celebrations now, the younger players, Hardik has taken everyone, they've got the trophy. Virat and Rohit have stepped aside and they're taking it in. They've been the two pillars. They've won now a 4th ICC trophy as an Indian player. That makes them the most successful. And in a way, you just see the difference in generations coming together to make, to win a trophy, to win a championship.
Yes, I think they are the elders in this cricket,